guys, Vishik and back with another video guys. So guys, Apple makes one of the very best hardware things out there. iPhone 6, the trackpad, the iPhone 5s and things like that. So I just migrated to the Mac and Mac OS 10 and started using the Apple Magic, Apple keyboard, and I loved it so much. So I thought, why not review it? It's a great piece of hardware and it's one of the greatest Apple has made. So here's its review. How does it stand up within heavy usage? So let's just dig into it.
And digging in, guys. As a matter of fact, I just converted myself to a Mac user and I'm loving the Mac OS 10. And guys, talking about the keyboard is full body aluminum and very sleek with white keys, which gives it an amazing look. Not like the all black keyboard, but yeah, it's great. I am loving it. The look, thumbs up Apple. And of course the keyboard is chiclet style, guys. And seeing the form factor of this keyboard, you might think that it is very small, but no, it houses my hands very comfortably and I am able to use them without any hand ache or anything like that. And my hands are big, and this is angled to the desk, and this is because you will not need any stand underneath the keyboard to prop it up in its position. So it's great because on my previous keyboard I always had the stands up. And if you're thinking because of the small form factor, the key presses will be shallow and the key throws will be shallow, but they are not. They are long and they are absolutely lovely. It's not as deep as a mechanical keyboard, but it's also not shallow as a membrane keyboard or a keyboard on your average laptop. I'm not talking about the MacBooks, guys. The key throws are very great. And talking about the integration with the trackpad, you can see there it's housed very good, and the integration and the transition is very seamless. If it's on the left or on the right, doesn't matter. You can see that previously it was on the right, now it's on the left, and the transition is very good. And guys, the being wireless also and being battery powered, you might think that there would be lag in the key press and the response from the computer, but no. So let's take a look. So guys, there I push F4 and boom, again F4 and boom, F4 and boom. So yes guys, the responsiveness is pretty good and I am loving it. And talking about the typing, guys, now you can see that I'll just start to type, and as I press H, the high is there. uh, and I am loving the responsiveness of this keyboard. It's very tactile feeling, and it's in every aspect better than my previous keyboard, the MCAT Nexus 6D. And this keyboard is very good, guys. If you think that for the price of 5300 this keyboard is not worth it, no, this is worth it. An all aluminum body, a small factor, and battery life, yes, it also has great battery life, guys. You can see that I got it about a month before and it is 84%, and with heavy use it's great. So this is a bang for the buck keyboard and I am absolutely loving it. So guys, that's about it, and I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, peace.